Hello, trading is closed on August 12, 2019. Let's go over our calls. So the good likelihood of a gap and a prompt move outside of Friday's range. We also got the pattern with the early low. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high, and we have some higher targets. If we don't gap and promptly take out this low, this higher one should print. There's also an optional target. 95% chance this prints tomorrow. If it doesn't, we'll forget it. During the day, we got an ultimate sell signal and we got lower, but the market system says that it's a false move and gives us the higher targets. Well, here's what we said. We said we had the early low, so lower target. It did print. So when this wave ends, we should have completed wave 2 of round 3 down, followed by a wave 3 rally. We had wave balance at 28.95 cash, and we went through that. That's not the only place where there is wave balance, and there is some actually at today's low. Well, here's your gap. Consolidations tend to fill the area of a prior gap, and you can see we're right there. You can also see this is at the 23.6% level of this drop, and you now have an ABC with C having a good fib ratio with A. Tuesday's pattern has the early high. Usually there's a rally into the close or the next day's open. If it doesn't happen, there's a straight line drop. Significantly higher targets. Unless we gap down sharply, I think they'll print. Despite dropping all day, we held on to these middle of the day lows, and we did it at a place where you had trend line support, fib support, and wave balance as well. This might not be the start of wave blue 3, as we could still be moving around in wave blue 2. But if we start to move up impulsively, and we should learn tomorrow if I'm right about going higher, if the move is overlapping, in which case you're probably still in wave 2, or impulsive, in which you're in wave 3. If we get an impulsive move, wave 3 up is coming. My expectation is these lows are going to hold. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high, higher targets, and as long as we don't gap and take this out, we look for a strong up move tomorrow, and that's today's call.